2 sticks of butter, 2 cups dark brown sugar. Now I'm coming in with 4 tablespoons of light corn syrup. I'm just gonna eyeball that. All right, we're gonna get this melted and mixed together. Making a super easy treat, perfect for every occasion, and y'all are gonna love it. Now I'm just adding in 1 bag of large marshmallows, and we are gonna get these folded in with our delicious caramel sauce. They're just gonna melt down and add a really fun and yummy texture to this delicious and easy treat. Gorgeous, look at this beautiful texture. All right, let's get this back over to our popcorn. Gorgeous. Look at this beautiful texture of our marshmallows with our stunning dark brown sugar, corn syrup. Oh, this is gonna be so tasty, y'all. All right, I'm just gonna put a little bit of vanilla extract in here. Perfect. And now I'm just gonna give this a tossy toss. We wanna cover all of this delicious, yummy, yummy popcorn in our beautiful dark brown caramel marshmallowy mixture. Ooh, wow. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Perfect. Alrighty, y'all. I'm gonna pop this in my oven at 250 for about 30 minutes, but I'm gonna stir it after 10. Alrighty, y'all. We had this in the oven at 250 for 30 minutes, and I did stir it every 10 minutes. You can see that our marshmallow ooey gooey caramel is still ooey and gooey, but don't worry, this is gonna totally change textures as it cools. I'm just gonna add a little bit extra yumminess now that we've got it all cooked. I'm gonna add in some of my fun Jet Puff fruity marshmallows because they're just so colorful and delicious. Now I'm gonna use some fun holiday sprinkles because it is Christmas time, and what is better than homemade candy at Christmas? Oh my gosh, yummy, 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 yummy. All right, and we're just gonna do a little bit more in our green and red theme with this beautiful green decorative sugar and some of this red. And don't be afraid, be generous with these sprinkles. That's the way I like to do it. Alrighty, we're ready with our special little Christmas treat here. Ooh, yes. And now the fun part of this is you get to break this into pieces and it has become a hard candy-like shell. Marshmallow flavored, candy for Christmas, homemade, so good. You guys, you've got to try this.